Today we're gonna do a macro-friendly Mac Daddy burger wrap. It's gonna have all the flavors, but without all the bullshit.
Hey y'all, welcome to Fail Proof Kitchen. My name is Jenna Fail.
And I'm Chef Robbie Jester, winner of Guys Grocery Games, Beat Bobby Flay, and Pressure Cooker on Netflix. So Jenna's already got us started. We have some 80-20 beef in the bowl here, some chopped shallots, chopped garlic, a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper. She's making our burger patty for our wrap. We're gonna go ahead and get this burner on high heat, and we're gonna make this kind of like a smash style burger. So we're gonna try and get it as thin as possible so we get nice crispy bits around the edges. It's delicious. We have some bib lettuce here, some tomato, some Munster cheese, and then we're gonna make that famous sauce that I can't say by name on this show because they get angry. We're gonna start with that while we're waiting for this to heat up. So if you wanna give me in this cup here, some mayonnaise, probably about 2-3 tablespoons worth, or that much.
How much is that? More?
That's probably 2-3 tablespoons.
That's what you said, right?
I'm just messing with it, yep. A little bit of ketchup.
How much?
About that much.
I've never made, actually I don't know if I've ever even really had Thousand Island. Oh.
There we go. No, you can say that. You can say that. You
we're
can't say
making
the
a
other.
homemade. Okay.
Can't say the other.
The one you might have
It's 2
seen on
words.
your TV.
So we have some chopped pickles here. You could use, relish if you want. I find that a lot of relishes have like a ton of extra sugar in them. So in this case, we're trying to be a little bit mindful of that. So this is just chopped kosher dill pickles. We're gonna go in with those. I like a lot in mine. Then can you do like 2-3 shakes of paprika? Salt and pepper.
I feel like I pinched quite a bit, and then you're like a little.
So mix it up. We have our more health conscious Thousand Island, if you will. We still want that flavor. We just don't want all the bullshit. Bullshit! So we're gonna go with our burger patty, and we're gonna get it into a ball. It's gonna be big. So we're gonna go big, we're gonna go wide, we're gonna go thin. We're gonna go into our pan here. We have the oil in a hot pan, and then we're gonna smash that thing down.
These are getting so popular, I feel, smash style burgers, but they cook so fast. You can whip this up at home in no time.
Yes. And it's kind of split a little bit in the middle. That's fine because we're gonna cut it in half anyway. We're gonna season with salt and pepper on one side, and the reason being we have so much surface area now that if we season both sides of this burger with salt and pepper, by the time we get finished, it's gonna be super salty.
Yeah.
So now that we've got some beautiful color in our pan there, we're gonna go ahead and give our smash burger a flip. Flip away from you. Look at that.
Look at that.
Gonna give it another press. Make sure we're working out, getting it as thin as possible.
I feel like I never get a crust on my food like that, but I'm always scared to cook too high because I'm afraid to burn something. So I tend to stay more medium, but you're kind of cranking it up every time.
Yeah. We crank it up there. Also, the little bit of olive oil that we added to the burger is gonna help with that process. So we're gonna go ahead and throw our Munster cheese on there. We've turned our heat off. We're just gonna let it kind of work itself out. Now we have these carb conscious wraps here. So we're gonna use those for this recipe. We're gonna start by putting a little bit of our sauce down. We're gonna spread that kind of in the back third, if you will. Now we're gonna come in with our lettuce. Our lettuce now is gonna protect this wrap from the juice from the tomatoes that we're gonna use. We're gonna go in with our sliced tomatoes here. Now we wanna season those tomatoes. Always season your tomatoes. A little salt. Can you give me some cracked pepper there, please, Jenna? And we can go ahead and split our burger up. It's about medium right now. If you want it to be well done, you can cook it well done. Also gonna carry over cooking the wrap a little bit. So we're gonna put one half there, the other half there. And when rolling this wrap, we don't wanna go too far out, otherwise we can't close the wrap. So we're gonna come in with the sides and then roll up from the bottom. There we go. We're gonna take our wrap, we're gonna seal it. Just toast it a little bit, get a nice little flip. I can't touch that side because it's hot. There we go. Come out, just lightly toasted, sealed. This is for you. Slice on a bias. A beautiful wrap right there. Macro friendly, all the flavors that you want. You could always serve a little bit extra of your Thousand Island on the side, but that is our macro friendly Mac Daddy burger wrap. If you like this, please like, subscribe, and
Don't forget to ring that bell for post notifications, and we'll see you guys on the next one.
see you next time.